This poor car is cold, I bet. Yep.
Right. Down on the unknown street off of Richmond Terrace. Trying to get this car to run right.
It's running good. It's running. You just gotta, you know, I guarantee you when he tunes it, it's probably going to be even stronger. You know, of course. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it's a shame, like you don't hear. You know, it's too cold to go outside to hear if it's got, you know.
Right.
You know what? And today's a bad day anyway because you can't hear. It's just too windy out, honestly.
It's true.
But I remember the day we were down there.
I
it was
know.
super quiet, and I mean, you heard the boost. You heard this thing spooling.
Yeah.
But I mean, look, what's more important? I like noises. I'm not gonna lie. I love the way cars sound, especially, you know. But this thing is, I mean, the proof is in the speed.
You know what though? I like the way a car performs and feels, and I noticed that, I don't know what kind of magic you're pulling when you drive it, but you let something happen where it gives it a little extra. It's almost like a little turbo boost.
Well, you know, the thing is, in the Q3, it's got a terrible it's got a really good transmission. In the Q3, it's got a terrible tranny. 8 speeds. It's always trying to figure out what to do. It just never knows. In this car, you know, it's kind of bulletproof transmission. There's Coy bought this BMW too. Actually, it looks really good.
Nice.
This guy changed the wheels. Actually, it looks stupid because those wheels are way too small. I gotta yell at him.
The chip too.
Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look good. And his girl, look, he buys that BMW. Look at what his girl has. Same exact car. Isn't that funny? Yeah.
Gotta unlock my windows.
No, you don't need to put down any windows. It's freaking cold. But yeah, no, this car, you know what? It's not bad.